Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing to do. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon. If they're on Amazon, I'll leave the affiliate link down below. And if it's a normal website, also leave their website. See, www.TYESO.com. So let's check them out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We shall see what's in the box. And thank you guys for sending me this for review. And here we go. And I got some nice tape. Look at this color. Bam. There we go. And now we shall see what's inside. Oh. We got some goodies in here. Alright. Whoa. They definitely bubble wrapped it, so that's a good thing. We got some other goodies in here. Let's see, tie. My tie. Check this out. What is this? It's like a little octopus, a teddy bear. One of those fat cats. I think this is a frog. Yeah. Frogs are cool. So these are little stickums. So there's four. So you probably put it on one. Little sticky tape. Alright, let me cut this. Definitely watch this before you use it. Ooh. So, all you Tumbler fanatics out here in YouTube land, this is a good one for you guys. This is the TYESO. Let me zoom out. There we go. Vacuum sealed or vacuum insulated tumbler. Create high quality, make wonderful life. That's true. One touch push open and easy close easily. Widen handle, leak proof, fit for your car. Left-handed friendly, right-handed friendly. That's a good thing. All you lefties and righties. And they got different colors to choose from. So all you weightlifters, you can take this with you to the gym. And work out and drink your protein mix, and of course we got the pink one. Whoa, we got the straw and a cleaner. That is empty. Definitely check them out, guys. Something new. Little instructions in Chinese and in American, so that's a good thing. Ooh. TYESO. To me, color doesn't matter to me. See, right-handed. If you've got a bigger hand, it definitely fit. It has a nice grip. Knock somebody out with this thing. I want to try it, but you know. And lefties. Got some good. And here's a slip. Oh, we got something in the bottom. Check that out. Nice seal around the cover. Right there. Do not eat this, and make sure you throw it away so your cats or animals or your kids won't eat it. Now we got the instructions. It has a deep. Maybe just get free Slurpees with this, you know, during Summer days. Alright, let's see. We'll open some things up right now. Oh man, shoot. I'm no Tumbler expert, but I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a cleaner to clean the brush. Let's see. Could be. Here we go. And we got the straw, of course. I know. Alright, to insert the straw, I'm going to put it like this. And this. Make sure you get the nice cold water going. So it's easy peasy to install. And I can see the straw inside the water. Right there. Nice. See the rubber all the way down there? Then you're going to want to take the lid. Cover that up. Like that. Make sure it's locked in. Like so. Alright, see now the straw. You can drink out of it. It's going to be hard to do it somehow. See the water? Right there. And then now when you close it, and it's good to go. And when you pop it up, it's like RTD2 lightsaber action. Whoa, see that? Yeah, it's like a springboard action type deal. So there, boom, boom. TYESO, thank you. And I'm not sure what's in this. We're about to find out. I think it's to clean your inside of your tumbler. Oh yeah, this is a cleaner. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is the first time seeing like cleaning product. Boom. Boom. Ba-boom. See, just stick it in. You know, clean it out. Because you get that protein mix. And this little guy, I think for the straw. Maybe. See? You got a few things, right? Now, I'll fill it up with water. I'm not going to drink the water. I don't drink out of the sink water, bottle water, but I'll definitely use the sink water for this. And here we go. Here we got the stickers. Keep it all organized. Bada boom, bada bing. I'll be right back. Here we go. We got it filled really good to the top. And now, put the lid on it. Alright, here we go. Sorry about that. Definitely leak proof. Ain't gonna spill. Shaky, shaky. You can see the water in there. It's really cool. TYESO. Check them out. Link's gonna be down below. Alright, YouTubers, that's gonna be it for today. Be safe and have a good day. I will see you guys soon. Until then, take it easy.